Good morning. Today we're going to finalize my center caps for my Crosstrek and the Method race wheels. In my original video, I asked you guys to leave your opinions as far as should I go silver Subaru center caps, no center caps. And overwhelmingly, it was either no center caps or go with the black. And I have to be honest, I don't really mind the silver. I thought it was okay. I think the black ones are going to look better. But as you can see, I have quite an assortment here. Obviously, these are the originals. I have these. I went to kind of try to go the cheap way, and I went on eBay and I bought these for 17 bucks. And it turns out they just don't fit. They are a different style back, and there was no picture of this on eBay. So whatever, they were basically wasting $17 and some time. But so what I ended up doing is I finally just broke down and decided to pay the 100 bucks. I found these guys and they're OEM. They're used, but they're in pretty good shape. And I'll leave the website below where I got them from. It's like 99 bucks shipped. Other places I saw them, they were 125 to 150, depending on where you bought them from. But as you can see, these new ones are very similar to the originals. It just doesn't have, like, this is kind of a ribbed or rough edge here, and these are smooth, and then the backs are very similar. You can see that they're I haven't tried them yet, but I'm pretty certain they're gonna fit, hopefully. But so anyway, that's what the video is about today. We're just gonna put these on. I'll show you guys a couple pictures of what they look like. I appreciate your opinions on those. Alrighty, here we go. These are gonna look funny because my wheels are all dirty. So yeah, those snap in just fine, just like the other ones did. So once I get these wheels cleaned up, sorry they're dirty, they'll match much better. Okay, so all three of the other ones fit really well, but you can kind of see this one, for some reason, is a little loose in there. The other one's snapped in super tight like the OEM ones. So I'm gonna pull it off. If I can pry it off. I really don't want to take this wheel off to get it out, so I'm hoping I can just pry it off and then go from there. See if I can't figure out something to make it tighter. Oh, good. It comes off real easy. Doesn't really look damaged or anything, so I'm not sure why it's fitting differently. Put a little bit of tape around it. So I just put a little bit of plumber's tape on here. We're gonna see how this goes. See if it's better. No, we'll figure something else out. Much better, but still a tiny bit loose. So I'm gonna take that off again and put a little bit more. This was attempt number 2 with a little bit more plumber's tape. Still didn't work. That was bugging me, so I couldn't leave it. So I'm gonna try this tape now. I've tried bending these little things out. I tried using the little metal rings that were on the center caps that didn't work, but there's nothing inside of here for the ring to set into, so. And I also cleaned this out. There we go. That's much better. No more play. Now we can give the thumbs up. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and come back for some more videos. Have a great weekend.